Good evening, guys. Forrest from Thrust Institute of Maintenance. I'm here in Baltimore, Maryland, picking up another airplane for our students to work on. Let's check it out. Good morning, guys. Day 3 of our epic cross-country adventure. I'm sitting here about 30 minutes east of Memphis, Tennessee, on our way back with Piper Cherokee. Look forward to sharing it with our students. Should be pulling in this evening. It's just the extra mile we go at Thrust to make sure our students have meaningful learning environments. We got our Piper Cherokee here all the way from Baltimore, Maryland. This aircraft is going to be fundamental for our students in their training. The idea is to have an aircraft that they'll be able to take outside to run the engine, to be able to work on various airframe projects, but more importantly, an airplane they might be able to make a mistake or two on, and it's going to be totally okay. This aircraft is purely a training aid for the students. Guys, as always, if you like what you see here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. We love producing this content for you all. And if you have any questions about becoming an aircraft mechanic or aviation in general, we'd love the chance to speak with you. Make sure to reach out to our admissions people today. Till next time, guys.